In this video, I will be showing you how to use Napkin AI for study. I'll start on the home screen and click on the option to add text by describing my idea. In the text box, I'm typing a prompt to explain the photosynthesis process in 4 clear, sequential stages, specifically asking for simple language and a focus on cause and effect. Once that's ready, I'll click Next. Now, the AI begins writing the entire breakdown for me, starting with a clear title and an abstract. As I scroll down, you can see it has organized the information into logical sections, including light absorption, water splitting, and carbon dioxide fixation, ending with a solid conclusion. To make this study guide more visual, I'll highlight the text under Stage 1 and click the lightning bolt icon to see AI suggestions. This opens a variety of diagram styles on the left. I'll select the flowchart that best illustrates the process and then click the Export Visual button to download it as a PNG. Finally, to save the whole document, I'll click the Share button at the top right and select Export PDF. I'll choose the A4 standard format and hit Download. Now, I can open the finished PDF to see my professional, visual study guide ready for use. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for study.